In today's video we will see Selec MFM 376cc multifunction meter. The product is primarily used for measuring voltage, current, frequency, power factor and energy. The product is panel mount with the dimension of 96 into 96 mm. It comes with 4-digit 7-segment LED display which provides a visual indication. It incorporates 3 robust rubber keys, which can be used for programming the product as per the user requirement. Now, let us see the wiring connections. To start with, we will be connecting 40 to 300 volts AC or DC supply to line and neutral terminal. Then, we will connect the current transformer inputs to the S1 and S2 terminals for current measurement. Now, we will connect the voltage inputs to V1, V2, V3 and neutral terminals for voltage measurement. This is the pulse output terminal. This is used to get pulse output based on energy consumption. The output is settable between 0.01 to 99.99 kWh. This RS485 is for Modbus RTU communication to communicate the device over laptop PC or PLC systems. Let us dive into programming. To enter the programming menu, press these PRD keys. Password. The default password for this meter is 1000. Change password. If we wish to change password, we have to change the setting to yes. Network selection. 3-phase 4-wire. 3-phase 3-wire. 1-phase 2-wire, R phase. 1-phase 2-wire, Y phase. 1-phase 2-wire, B phase. CT secondary. Set either 5 ampere or 1 ampere in secondary. CT primary. Set any value between 1 ampere to 10,000 ampere. I am setting 100 ampere. PT secondary. Set any value between 100 volts to 500 volts. PT primary. Set any value between 100 volts to 500 kilovolts. Demand interval method. Set sliding or fixed method. Demand interval duration. Set duration between 1 to 30 minutes. Demand interval length. Set length between 1 to 30 minutes. Pulse weight. Set pulse weight between 0.01 to 99.99 kWh. Pulse duration. Set duration between 0.1 to 2 seconds. Run our selection. Set between 1 to 10 of load. Slave ID. Set any value between 1 to 255. Baud rate. Report value is 9,600. We can set 19,200, 300, 600, 1,200, 2,400, 4,800, 9,600. Parity, none, odd and even parity available. Stop bits, set either 1 or 2. Factory default. To reset all the setting to factory default value, set yes. Reset energy. If you want to reset energy, set yes. The password for resetting energy is default password +1. We set active energy. Set no or yes. Reset reactive energy. Set no or yes. Reset apparent energy. Set no or yes. Reset max demand. Set no or yes. Reset run hour. Set no or yes. Reset interrupts. Set no or yes. To come out of the programming, press these two keys together. Applications: electrical panels, energy management systems, HVAC systems, packaging industries. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.